Black magic has traditionally referred to the use of the supernatural powers of evil and selfish purpose. In modern times, some find that the definition of black magic has been convoluted by people who define practices that they disapprove of as a black magic. With common mainstream religion such as Christianity or old religion of paganism, to extent there are certain taboos surrounding of magic. Although culture may place certain form of magic in the side of another of this spectrum, there are in fact some cultural universals about the free will. True name spells, the theory that knowing a person true names allow the control over that person, making this wrong for the same reason. This can also be used as a connection to the other person, or to free them from another compulsion, so it is in the gray area. Immortality, life is finite. Wishing to leave behind one's natural spans is not with the major issue with immortality. Because of the need test of results, subjects must be killed. Even a spell extend life may not be entirely good, especially if it draws life energy from another to sustain to the spell. Necromancy, for purpose of usage, this is defined as a general black magic, but as any magic having to do with that itself, either through divination or entrails, or the act of raising the dead body, as opposed to resurrections, curses and hacks. The curse can be as simply as wishing something bad would happen to another, to complex ritual. Many rituals performed by black magic practitioners are mentioned as having aspects similar to Christianity through the perverted form, and it appears to be universally based upon religion, but using perverted ritual to suit the needs of the users. For example, black magic users might invert pentacle, likewise corrupted rites, or sacrifice many subscription, blood and fetch for the water of wine. Seen from this perspective, the distinction between black and white magic would be simple. White magic would be the original ritual which embodied two tenets the religion in question. For Buddhism, Hinduism, this might be long and complex prayers, sutras. Taoist and Shinto's magic would be largely based upon fertility and natural rituals. Black magic would be the corruption or misuse, such as above rituals, using them to self-serving and destructive ends without regard for cultural morals of religion. This could be something such as making puppets to cause harm. In certain contexts, even the notional form of the ritual, such as prayer, can be regarded as the form of black magic. The invented purpose of the prayers is to cause a harm or injury to another. Prayers such as those that evoke the destruction of enemies and so on, that produce negative results, fall within the realm and ill intent. Some argue instead that in the form of devotional ritual, the responsibility of the morality on the deities in question instead of aspirants. Rather different view of black magic is used in the system of chaos magic. Is this branch of occult practice, spells sometimes corresponding to colors depending on the supposed effect. For example, red magic, which is magic concerned with combat such as low level courses. Black magic in chaos magic corresponding to magic that is performed around the themes of death, separation, severance, and entropy. This can refer to powerful curses mean to bring the strongest effect, spells to serve emotional ties to object or people, and so on. In fiction, black magic will quite frequently be synonymous with evils, such as the case in Rosemary's Babies, Harry Potter's, and Shakespeare's Macbeth.